In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Bitbucket. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Bitbucket website. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Login button, and that's your first point of action. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page. If you're new to this, Bitbucket is part of the Atlassian suite of tools, which means you will be using your Atlassian account to sign in. But don't worry if you don't already have an account set up this way. There are also options for logging in using your Google or Microsoft account, depending on how you've initially configured everything. If you're signing in using an Atlassian account, simply enter your email and password. But if you're like many users who have linked their account with Google or Microsoft, just select the appropriate login option, either Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft. It's really that simple. Once you enter your credentials and successfully sign in, you'll find yourself on the Bitbucket dashboard. Here, the world of Bitbucket opens up to you. The dashboard is your central hub, allowing you to explore your workspaces. Think of workspaces like a neat and organized folder on your computer, holding all the related repositories so you can easily access and manage them. You can dive into any of these workspaces to get to your repositories. This is where you keep your projects and code, and where collaboration with your team happens. In addition to exploring your workspaces and accessing your repositories, you might want to take a moment to go over your account settings. This is crucial as it allows you to ensure everything is tailored to your work style. You can adjust notifications, change your profile information, or even tweak your access permissions for better control over your Bitbucket experience. Remember, having updated settings ensures a smoother experience as you navigate through projects and collaborate with your team members. It can make a significant difference in how effective and efficient your work interactions are. And that's it. You've successfully opened and navigated through Bitbucket. It may seem like a small thing, just logging in, but it's your gateway to an array of powerful tools that facilitate version control and more. By logging into Bitbucket, you're not just starting another day of work. You're stepping into a robust platform that's designed to help you manage code and collaborate seamlessly. Now you're all set to streamline your workflows and maximize your productivity. If you have any questions or run into issues, checking out Bitbucket's support resources or reaching out to their customer service can provide you with additional guidance. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!